Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use my Crayola template and mockup. So when you purchase the file, you're going to be receiving these four items. You're going to see a text file as well where it will just give you the link to this video. If you found it online, if you found it on YouTube, then you'll see that link here and it will direct to this video. So the first things you need to do in order to work with the template, if you don't own these fonts, it's not going to work unless you're going to be changing the fonts. But if you want to keep the traditional Crayola inspired box, then just install by double clicking the fonts. And then just click install. And then you do this for both fonts, install, and you're ready to go. Okay, so let's open the Crayola template with lid file. So I'm going to be doing so you see we have the Crayola box right here ready to go. So we have it, the traditional colors, what you will see in a regular packaging, but we want to customize it. So I'm going to be doing a Jojo Swia crayon box using this template. So this is what you see. Everything is layered, so you can pretty much click. And if this is the first time seeing a video, I want to show you. I always have an auto select in order to be able to just choose the layer that I want to edit. So it's much easier for me to do that. Okay. Anyways, so let's get to it. I'm going to be using this background. I need the background, so I'm going to do define pattern. Then I'm going to select the background. Right here is this color overlay. So anytime you see this, you could basically change any color you want. But I'm not going to do that. I want to have a background, so I'm going to unselect color overlay and type in pattern. So this is a Gucci, but that's not the one I want. I want the unicorn, background. So you're pretty much done with the background. I'm gonna add the Jojo in here. Let me see how I want it. Okay. So I'm gonna do it like this. Okay. So let me change the stroke. I want this to give it more. I want it pink. The Crayola, I'm gonna change it to the child's name here. Okay. We're gonna use Right. Okay, so this is the first thing I kind of encounter. So if you're doing a small name like this, um, it's gonna look off because it's not a nice clean cut. Um, Either you could make the font bigger, or you could type in like is, or you say is the cut is not clean. Um, so I'm gonna use Jasmine, or you could leave Crayola and then okay. So time to click the effects. I want a blue, and I want a light pink. Light. Okay, there we go. We want stroke. We want it this dark pink, and then I want to color this. So color overlay. I wanted to do a pink. I want this to do a, a pink as well. So we'll do that pink, and we'll do this one versus light green. So you're able to look at the layers and able to choose the layer that you are looking for. And this is easy to just like remember where you're at. Um, okay, so I want to change that to a pink as well. So we're changing to that pink, and then Jasmine. I'm gonna remove this. Um, and I'll put this here. Crayons. I'll do the stroke and just put the same pink. Or actually, I kind of, yeah, let's put the same pink. Okay. I think that's it. So this is a quick edit. I would, me personally, if I was actually gonna be doing it for someone, I would totally do glitter on one of these. So I'll look for pink glitter, and I'll show you with, because I have a gold glitter right here. So, or yeah, you can even do a granite look. It looks nice. But I'm gonna do glitter. See, it looks a lot nicer. Well, it depends on what you're working on and what theme you're doing. If you're doing something that calls for glitter, if it's for a girl, I would highly suggest doing that. Um, you could do patterns. You could put, if we were to do like some sort of, so let's do pattern. See, you could put like Gucci, whatever pattern you're looking for. Um, this is it. Okay. So, like I always say, if we're, I would, if I'm doing it for a client and I want to let them approve, which I'm going to use like the Crayola mockup, what I'll do is do this. I'll save this as Jas. I'll do it. I'll save it as something Jasmine box. Okay. So I'll save it as that because I need to flatten the image prior to edit. I need to flatten the image in order to be able to make the mockup. Okay. So what I do is use the CTRL, the shift button, and the letter E, and it will flatten your image, and you'll have it like this. So it's ready to go to do the mockup. Okay, so let's use the mockup. So this is how you'll get it once you open the file. Okay, so it says click this twice, so you'll click it twice. Okay, so the bottom, the left panel, and the face. I like to start with the face just so I can see it. What you'll do is we need the face, so we'll select it here. Select using the little square, and then go back here and then click face. We could delete that, and then so we have the face. You don't have to delete it, but if you want to. Okay, so the face. Okay. So for the bottom, I just use a plain color, so I'm gonna use that pink. Use the paint bucket just to, because there's in the template you don't have the a bottom place, so it's not somewhere that you could actually add it. So you have that, and then for this left panel, we need to get the left panel. So we'll use this, select it, and then we'll do left panel. Okay. We're gonna click yes, and then so you have the mockup done. This is the Jojo, and I didn't include any like. Okay, so you need to close it one more time. Close it. Click yes. It's gonna be saving the file. Okay, so it's putting it all together. So this is what you'll see. It has a white background. If you want to put a background to do the mockup, all you have to do is put the back pattern behind this. The one I normally use for mine is the, I'm kind of changing it up, so I'll use this pattern. And then you could send it to your client, or you could list it on your shops. This is a nice way to promote your products. I am include for what else? So the paper I would use, If you don't have a laser printer, I would do glossy brochure paper to give it the gloss. If you do have a printer, a laser printer, I would just do like a nice glossy, not glossy. It could be cardstock, it could be copy paper, because I won't give that wrinkly paper when you're printing on copy paper. So those are your two options. If you're doing it on a non-laser printers and inkjet, I would do glossy paper, brochure paper. It will give it the shine that the box has naturally. And you're ready to go. And this is it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me via YouTube, in the comment section, on my Etsy shop, if you purchase a template, or you could always email me if you're unsure of something. Okay, thank you. That's all. Have a great one.